Once in a small mountain village lived two best friends, Mia and Leo. They did everything together, playing, laughing, dreaming. But one day, a misunderstanding changed everything. Leo broke Mia's favorite handmade bracelet by accident. Mia shouted, "You don't care about me!" And from that day, they stopped talking. Days turned into weeks. Mia missed her friend, but her pride kept her silent. Leo sat by the old wooden bridge where they used to play, wondering if Mia would ever forgive him. One morning, Mia found something on her windowsill, a tiny paper boat with a note. "I'm sorry, Mia. I miss our laughs." Tears filled her eyes. Without hesitation, she ran to the bridge, and there was Leo waiting. They both smiled through their tears. Mia said softly, "Friendship isn't about never breaking things more, it's about fixing them together." Leo nodded, and they placed a new bracelet on the bridge, a symbol that their bond was stronger than before. And from that day on, the bridge didn't just connect two sides of the river. It connected two hearts that learned the power of love and kindness.